Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another MJ stock here, one that I haven't talked about in a while. This one is Trulieve, ticker TCNNF. Just did a video on Cresco Labs, Green Thumb yesterday, Cureleaf, Hexo, Cron, Tilray. Have been kind of on a MJ kick here, and Sundial, so you'll want to check those out as well. But this one, some of these over-the-counter ones like Cresco Labs, Green Thumb, and Cureleaf, and Trulieve here are all over-the-counter, and they're all having great ratings. So I'm going to maybe start switching to some of these over-the-counter stocks here and see what those do for me. So this is Trulieve, ticker TCNNF. And here it goes over a little bit about what Trulieve is. Operates as a holding company. Company through its subsidiaries engages in the cultivation, possession, sale, and distribution of medical MJ. Trulieve MJ offers its services in the United States and Canada. Here's a look at what it's done over the last year. Had a run up there to 52 back in March. The high on all of them was back on February 10th. This is the first one I've seen go up past the high on February 10th. That's kind of amazing. And then it's just kind of slid down over the last month. This one started in the $30 range, kept trying to get back up there and didn't quite make it. Fell down to the 24, 25 range, and here it's been kind of all over the place in the last week. This looks like kind of a nice roller coaster ride here in the 24s. Couldn't get to 25 and fell back down, and looks like it does it again. Looks like that's kind of a repeated pattern. Flat for a while and then runs up and falls back. So, and here's a look at today. So, kind of doing the same thing. Volume on this one is 190,000, market cap 4.43 billion, 52-week high of 53.73 and a low of 23.38. Not sure why some of these aren't on the major exchanges. They have great ratings and everything. Between Trulieve, Cresco Labs, Green Thumbs, and Cureleaf, they're all over the counter, so I'm gonna have to check into that and see exactly why that is. And this one is showing a buy here on Bing. So Kenter lowers price target on Trulieve, but the stock is still their top pick among MSOS. And I talked about that on a couple other videos they did on Cresco Labs, Green Thumbs, and Cureleaf. They all did some switching around between MSOS. And we'll go over that here. This is a little bit older article, but still kind of relevant if you own any of these. So Trulieve month reporting net revenue of $224 million, up 64% from the same period in 2020. Adjusted EBITDA is $98 million, or 43.7% of revenue. Net income is $18.6 million, impacted by $16.4 million of one-time compensation and transaction costs primarily associated with the Harvest acquisition. Trulieve and Harvest combined third quarter revenue amounting to around $316 million. Net loss is approximately $9.8 million, and adjusted EBITDA is $121 million. Soon after the company announced the news of True Tonic, its new drink powder, and that will be soon launched by Bang. And there's the ticker there. Edibles in Florida, making the award-winning gourmet chocolates available exclusive in Trulieve's 108 Florida dispensaries. And so quite a few dispensaries in Florida. I just did a video on Cresco Labs. They're also in Florida. So you can go out and hang and chill and party in Florida. The analyst said that the lowering the price target was to address reduced 2023 EBITDA estimates. Transition issues connected to the company's merger with the Harvest combined with evident flower share loss in October, November in Florida, and lingering macro pressures may cause weak growth in the fourth quarter, said Zuwanek, projecting sales of $318.2 million after $316 million pro forma in Q3, noting FactSet consensus is at $335.5 million. Trulieve can count on several tailwinds in 2022, as noted, such as an advanced assorted at harvest locations. So if you have Trulieve, go ahead and list that in the comments, and if you have any other MJ plays that we could look at, that would be interesting as well. Trulieve announces a grand opening of another dispensary. This is back on the 8th. Company opens 111th dispensary in Florida and the first retail location in, I think that's Okeechobee? Haven't heard of it. Tallahassee on the 8th. Trulieve, a leading top-performing MJ company in the United States, today opened its newest medical dispensary in Okeechobee, Florida. And if I'm saying that wrong, oh well, you can't really correct me on the video anyway, so I'll give you something to laugh at if I'm saying it wrong anyway. So the Okeechobee location at Trulieve's 111th in the state, and will begin serving patients at 9 a.m. on Thursday, December 9th, 2021. So if you've been to this location, you can go ahead and leave that in the comments, or to any of their locations, you can leave that in the comments as well. So they go over THC CBD products available for a variety of consumption methods, including smokable flower, concentrates, edibles, capsules, syringes, and so on. Brands such as Bellamy Brothers, Bang, Blue River, Black Tuna, and that's interesting. Love's Oven Open. That's some real interesting names here. So they look forward to expanding access to medical MJ in Okeechobee and building strong relationship with the community. Here goes over a little bit more about Trulieve. So they're operating in 11 states. Market positions in Arizona, Florida, Pennsylvania. Trulieve is poised for accelerated growth and expansion, building scale in retail and distribution in new and existing markets through the hub strategy. Trulieve is listed on the Canadian Stock Exchange under TRUL and trades on the over-the-counter OTCQX market under the symbol TCNNF. So it's moving up the ladder, and maybe soon it will be on the major exchanges. So 2 MJ stocks to watch at the end of the day. This is a little bit older article on December 10th, but still kind of relevant. So I'm just going to move through this, and they're talking about Trulieve and Planet 13, which Planet 13 is down as well. So probably due for a video on Planet 13 next. So feel free to pause and go over that information since it's a week old but still relevant. How Curaleaf deal could shape MJ debt financing, and this is dated on the 15th. A tale of two credits, how larger debt issues drive down average effective cost. And there's a chart detailing that, debt issuances in millions of dollars. And it's showing the graph up and down, but it looks like it is going down to a certain extent. Curaleaf, the world's largest MJ company by market cap, announced the private placement of $425 million senior secured note this week. The deal includes an 8% coupon, 5-year maturity, no original issue discount, warrants, or convertibility. Curaleaf issue at 8% represents a spread of 679 basis points over the 5-year Treasury, with correspondence closely in the Bank of America index. Bank of America's single B index is approximately 300 basis points tighter, demonstrating that Curaleaf might expect to do a 5-year deal at 5%. It was viewed in a single B high yield bond. This kind of goes over MSOS, Curaleaf Holdings. I have a lot of these. I've talked about a lot of these. Some of them I have not heard of. Like I said, Curaleaf, I've just done a video. Trulieve, Cresco Labs, Green Thumb, just here in the last day or two, Cresco Labs. So if you like exposure to MJ with a little bit more security, even though they have went down, you can check out the ETFs that I've went over, MSOS. I think another one is THCX. Another one, popular one, is MJ. I've covered them all. I'll go ahead and list those in the comments. Trulieve stock will go up 200% to $80, and I show how this happens via mathematics. Value play, and there's another ETF, yellow, you only live once, MSOS. Probably do a video on those two later, since they did some switching of some of their holdings. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $24.57. with a 52-week low of 23.38 and a high of 53.73, and a market cap of 4.89 billion. Federal prohibition will end before 2024. It will be about adding voters. And I've done videos on all of these. Green Thumb just did one yesterday. Tilray looks like yesterday as well. Cron did one on it yesterday, and currently doing one on Trulieve at $24.59. Over here on Tip Ranks, currently at $24.52, with another one showing a strong buy. I love these ratings. 180% upside to $68.92. So definitely one to look at, with a high of $105.51, low of $47.72. Definitely one to watch. And if you have any other information on this one that you want to share, go ahead and list that in the comments. And any other MJ plays out there you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to take a look and do a video on those as well. But some of these over-the-counter ones need to definitely check out. Trulieve, Cresco Labs, Green Thumb, and Curaleaf. I've done all videos on these in the last today and yesterday. And again, I thank you for watching, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.